into the second half of a fast-moving show. What are we in the midst of right now? 31 days of what?
Temptations.
And it's going to be every week.
Every Wednesday, yes, at 7
time.
p.m. We're running a mini series. We're even going to have a live studio audience.
The live studio audience, that's fantastic. Welcome in to Falltastic.
Yes.
Falltastic. You have a whole naming, like, end of your company?
Yeah.
That's what they do?
Yeah, so our design team, we all sit around the table and we're like, all right, let's come up with really cute and creative names. And this was just like fantastic, Falltastic.
Well, how about Buffetti, pumpkin, or harvest in the 4-piece serving set?
I love this. So again, typically, you know, we'll do kind of like an app set. This is so much more than that. You have that beautiful figural serving tray, but then look how sweet. You have your 8-ounce ramekins that, of course, you can bake in. You can do everything, all of your side dishes. We did them in 3 different colors if you're picking up the pumpkin patch, the green, the orange, and the yellow. And then look how beautiful this figural oversized serving platter is with the handle there and all individually hand painted.
Yeah, oh, that's great. You're
look how
inspiring me here tonight.
beautiful.
I love this.
Well, you know what? You can add these little pops. This could be a little candle garden. You could put greens on here with your flameless candles. Again, have fun with these pieces, but just knowing, we always joke, you never know you need a platter till you need a platter. Now you have a serving platter and all of the ramekins to go with
Fewer
it.
than 700 of those pumpkins, Tara, and then they're gone.
Okay.
You're loving. What are our other choices?
Okay. I'm sorry,
Boo.
but this, boo. So here, of course, we did Buffetti. We have that web-shaped plate. Can we just brag on how stinking cute our ghost is?
Go for it.
Someone said it kind of looks
That's
like
pretty
that
cool.
arcade game that we used to play when we were younger. That kind of ghost.
Mm-hmm.
But again, so if you know floral lace, you know it has that etching and that engraving. All of that is on the side of these pieces as well. So that's actually your stoneware color that's peeking through there. How stinking cute is that? So we did a ghost, we did a pumpkin, and we did the bat. Look at the purple bat.
Buffetti has 1,400 remaining, and that'll do it. A few hundred remaining
so
in the
cute.
pumpkin. And
Okay.
finally,
More elegant, for sure. I always say our harvest pattern where pumpkin patch and Buffetti are whimsy, this is a little more sophisticated.
I mean, this is really nice. This is
Gorgeous
really
rope
nice.
detail that runs across the acorn platter.
How about the
and then
shapes?
look at the shapes of your leaf, and then look at the engraving. Now, how does that work? It's carved into the side of the stoneware, and then the color is saturated around it. Piping around the edge on the trim there. Again, these pieces are meant to be baked in, but they're also supposed to look like your fine china that you don't have to baby. Thank you for holding all of those.
I love them all.
Look at how sweet.
I got to make my choice on this one, though. This is really nice.
It's
So
beautiful.
that's all engraved.
Yes.
So that's all, and then you got the what's on top? What do you call that?
I call it a rope detail,
The rope
so it's
detail.
embossed.
That's just great.
And then look at how
Embossed.
pretty the green is.
And then here's
There's
your
something
green.
about layering in
500
all
gone.
the colors
Wow.
of fall. This is our
That's-
Falltastic. I will tell you, we put this up on August 1st, and you have been loving
Yeah, this is great.
online.
And here is the big plate.
Yes,
right?
yes. Look,
A platter.
Thank you for holding that, because I think sometimes you can't really get the portion. It's a nice oversized platter without it being so big. So
Oh,
it's
this
almost
is
like a
wonderful.
serving tray
It is
versus a
serving.
platter,
Yes.
right?
Right?
But everything you love from Temptations, right? You can still bake in these. So look at the individual leaf cakes we made. Look at this. We did a cute little chocolate chip where we baked right inside here. Here we did a cute little, I will think of the word in a second, a cranberry, thank you, cranberry bread. And here, this could be your little pumpkin breads.
600
Look
people
how
are shopping right
sweet.
now.
Now, if you picked up, of course, the mini loaves that we were showing you,
Which you did.
which you did, of course, because
Hopefully.
they were so stinking cute. You now can start to layer these pieces
And you just
in with your
drizzle them-
harvest pieces.
drizzle the
and look how sweet
awesomeness
this
on
is.
top.
Well, hello. Yeah, but see how we're starting to layer all of our pieces together? Maybe it's taco night. Maybe it's Taco Tuesday.
Taco
Wait,
Tuesday.
is today today's Wednesday, never mind. I don't have a taco It's Taco Wednesday. Look what we did here. We heated up our soft tacos, our hard tacos. This went right into the oven.
Yes.
And then we have all of the extras, all the fixins.
So there you go.
In there.
There you go.
I love this
700
set.
people are shopping.
I love it.
Normally 45. We've got it on 4 easy payments. If you have that cute card, and you can pick it up right now, break that up. If you want our friend the pumpkin choice, 400 remaining. Buffetti up front, 1,200 remaining. However, that harvest
Gorge.
650, and that's going really quickly.
And that's
my favorite.
it for the season. I am going to let you know
Well,
that.
this is adorable. That
Look
is
how
great.
sweet this is.
Now that's a party.
That's a party. And
That
it's
is
an
a party.
easy party, right? Because everything's coordinated. It's cheerful.
Wow.
It's fun. We did a gorgeous antipasto.
Look at that, man.
Isn't that stunning?
That's catering.
And because you have the right platter, you have the right serving tray, you have, again, little wells. It makes sense when it's not just oval, it's not just square.
Yeah.
You have character there. And then look what we did, little blue cheese crumbles, your little olives, and of course your artichoke hearts.
That's bringing those up for the kickoff of football season, man. You are good to go there.
Super sweet, super sweet. I love that. And look at that.
It's 219-285 item number. So capacity is there. I
Yes,
love this.
8 ounces.
This is not a little bitty for this price. A little
Yes.
bitty platter.
Correct, correct. The platter is nice and oversized. Here, look, we'll take a peek here. We've nestled all 3 of our 8-ounce ramekins, and you still have plenty of room. So this could be, again, your dessert station where you're putting everything. Your apple pie goes on top of here. Your pumpkin breads go on top of here. And this becomes a tradition and that piece that everybody looks forward to using and tasting.
In our 1 minute,
yes,
our choices are again.
Pumpkin patch, love. This is hands down my fave. Of course, there you can see that beautiful pumpkin shape.
350
Oversized
people
platter.
can have it, and they're gone for the season?
It's gone for you will not see this. If we reorder it, you'll see it next year sometime, but not again.
So it is time, even though it's, beginning of August here.
Yes.
This is ready for fall. It's like the fall fashion.
Right.
That's not coming back for the year.
It's supposed to last us the whole month. I don't think that's going to happen.
Yeah.
Then over here we have our buffetti. Look how adorable, the spider web platter, layering on your ghost, your pumpkin, and of course that adorable purple bat.
1,100 there.
So stinking cute.
And then my favorite, this is the one you don't want to wait on. Here we go. 550 to go around. Is this it for the season too?
That's it. That's everything you see on this table was for the whole month of August.
I mean, you got right now, September, October, November. You got it for the whole
That's what I love about fall. I love entertaining with fall because a lot of times with Christmas or holiday, it's one day. Fall.
Is it not the best time of year, too, by the way?
It's my favorite.
Fall.
It is.
I
love
Minnesota
the summer.
boy, when those leaves turn.
I think everybody feels that happiness when it's like that crisp in the air.
No doubt about it.
No snow. Just
Cools
the crisp
off
in
a
the
little
air.
bit. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's awesome. In the last minute, for people who are shopping, this, one of your newest designs, like so much in the show, brand new, H219-285, the 4-piece Falltastic serving set. 1,200, almost 1,300 people are shopping.
Can we talk about how
right
sweet it is with that runner too? Have you noticed all of these pieces just layer right on top of that runner? If you pick up anything of our linens, the runner is the way to go.
Yeah, I think so too. It's welcome anywhere.
Yay!
By the way, what